Hello, I'm Evan Evans, and I'd like to share with you how to make a podcast. So let's get started.
Let's first talk about the equipment you're going to need to do this. Obviously, you need a computer. With the computer, you either need a webcam, a video camera, or some screencast software, a tablet computer, or an iPad. You will need one of these items to make a podcast. So first what you need is a repository, someplace where you can upload your podcast. So you need either access to a YouTube channel, a Blackboard site, a wiki, a website, or iTunes University. Again, someplace where you can put this podcast after you produce it up so your students can view it. Step 1. First, you need to come up with a context for the podcast. In other words, what are you going to talk about? What do you want to share with your students? Determine the theme. Is it going to be a mini lecture? Is it going to be a deeper explanation of the topic, or a homework question, or some course targets? What are you interested in sharing with your students is the key factor before you go into producing the podcast. Step 2. What you're going to look to do here is you need to record your podcast or stream it live. There's two ways you can do it. Obviously, if you're using a camcorder or a video camera, you simply record your lecture and then you can go in and upload it later. Or if you're doing it live, streaming it live, you would need access to either a tablet computer or an iPad, and you'll be streaming live. And there's various ways you can do that, either through your YouTube channel or through a source such as Google+. Here's an example of if you're going to upload your video to YouTube. If you record your video, aka you use a camcorder or a webcam to record your lesson or your podcast, you then obviously store it on your computer. You can use software such as Camtasia or Windows Movie Maker to edit the video that you recorded. And once you're comfortable with the video and its context, you would then upload it to the YouTube channel simply by going to your web page, your YouTube channel, and selecting the file to upload from your computer. Or you can stream it live. To stream it live via Google+, you first need a Google+ site, and then connect it to your YouTube channel. Here's an example of what that would look like. Here's an example of a Google+ web page. From here, once you've created circles, you can do what's called start a Hangout. By starting a Hangout, you then invite people from your circle, and various people from your circle, and I'm going to say my followers. You choose a circle you want to follow, and you invite them to the search, or to your Hangout. And when your Hangout, you're going to name it, say, live lecture on derivatives. So you title and then you can do right here, click on this enable Hangouts. What this is going to do is this is going to stream your live video session over the internet. So you can see my face down here. I'm going to say go ahead, and then you start your Hangout. You click Hangout, and whoever you invited will come join the Hangout. So once you go here, you would hit this button up here to start broadcasting, and now we're going to broadcast live over the internet. And I can go through, if I have a tablet computer, I can switch my screen here, and I can share whatever screen I have available or open, and there's various things I have available they can join in. So that is an example of doing that. So that's how you can stream live via Google+. But ultimately what you want to do is you want to make sure you have the proper equipment, and then you always want to try something small. Start with something you're comfortable with, whether it be a lesson. If you want to just videotape yourself in front of the chalkboard doing a lesson, that's a great start. And then you simply upload that video file to your computer from your computer, or you download it to your computer, and then from there you would upload it to your YouTube channel. But basically have fun with it. The sky is the limit. What you really want to do is you want to have fun and figure out a good way to communicate with your students. Here is a QR code. If you want to scan this will take you to a YouTube channel that I've created, which is called Izomath. Feel free to use it as a reference, and if you have any further questions, you're always welcome to email me or contact me. My email address is eevans@frederick.edu. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you down the road with some podcasting.